The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available online at Fashion Premier Academy. Okay, the next channel that I want to talk about is print advertising. It's important to know all the different aspects of print advertising. Not only for you to know, but also if you were dealing with an advertising agency, let's say that you were preparing for an advertising campaign, you would want to know all the different terminology, and you should know the many ways that a print campaign can be executed and be educated in the conversation if you were dealing with an art director or something. So print can include magazines, billboards, catalogs, lookbooks, bus shelters, and POP, which stands for point of purchase. I'll tell you about that later. Let's start with magazine. Let's look at Vogue, for example. In the first part of the magazine, first section, is the advertising section. Whenever you see models with, say, a logo, Dior, this is advertising. Gucci, advertising. Models, product, Louis Vuitton, advertising. Celine, Chanel, and so on. This is all advertising. In the back section, we have what is known as the editorial section. And the editorial section, here we have what is known as a story. A story is a topic. So the magazine says, let's do a story on suits. We'll call it Suiting Yourself. They will hire a model, a photographer, a stylist, a makeup artist. They will go on location or in a studio. And you see the thread here is suits, right? So it's all different variations on how to wear suits. This is the editorial section. And then anything in between is the articles that the magazine decides to write about. Then we have billboards. And I know you've seen millions of billboards from small, medium, large, from the famous ones on Times Square. So I'm not gonna spend too much time on billboards. Then we have catalogs and lookbooks. A catalog is basically a printed book with photographs of all your styles that you're selling, and with the style number and the price and what sizes and colors it comes in and so on. Similar to a catalog is a lookbook. A lookbook should have a theme, and it's normally a bit more flashy and with an engaging layout and an exciting, stylish look to it. It's really used more to create and generate excitement about the brand. And lastly is POP, which stands for point of purchase. So you know when you're shopping at a grocery store and you are approaching the cashier to pay for your product that you just bought, you might see promotional items, like for example a small flyer or a small poster. Anything that's promoting a brand or a product, that's called POP. Again, it stands for point of purchase. Besides social media and print campaigns, there's also TV and radio, and I know you've seen millions of television ads and radio ads. All this in the advertising world, in the advertising business, is known as media usage. Channels used to promote and sell a brand. So now, think about your campaign. Whether you're just starting out or you have an existing company, think about what it would look like, even if you don't have a budget, or maybe you have a small budget. See what images would you use, what pictures would you put together to create your ad campaign to promote and advertise your brand. And if you do have a company, this is something that you have to do several times throughout the year, so get used to it. Practice, practice, practice. So, okay? All right, I'll see you in next class. Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the courses available at Fashion Premier Academy by clicking the link below. And be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you will be notified when I post new videos, which is every week.
I'll see you in class.